Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to KapilCodeHub. So today we will be see about the one of the magic which was given which was provided by AWS. That's called a S3 bucket. In the S3 bucket, I hope that you already seen my video that I have released earlier regarding the versions of it. Now today we will be know about that how to be recover the files, how to we recover the objects in case if mistakenly we have deleted. So how it works, let's see. Let's come back to my screen. Now in the screen you're seeing that I have a record have already be the image. I have already this bucket I have already created in my how to we create this S3 bucket that I have already shown to you in the previous videos. You guys can take a look on it. So now let's see about that how to be delete, how to roll back the images in case if we deleted mistakenly, how we roll back there. So now you see that, so there is my bucket. Okay, here I have a version system of obviously. Okay, so before deleting any image, make sure that you also enable your version. If your version is not to be enabled, then you're not able to recover your file. Okay, this is super important guys, and how to be enable a version that I also shown you in another video. So in this video we are be covering about to be how to be roll back the changes. Rollback means in case if we mistakenly deleted anything, how to be undo, or you can how to be redo the that particular item. So now let's suppose that I have this image. Okay, now if I deleted this image, let me just click onto this thing and just delete this thing. Okay, so I am using this image and delete. I'm just mentioned that delete. Yeah, that's right spelling. So great, images be deleted. Do I have, oh, the image is deleted. Now you seen that images be deleted. Now how do we recover that image? Because Amazon doesn't provide any option. So either earlier, like if we take an example of in our case in a local system or if your operating system. So ideally, what we are doing here. So when we delete any image, so we can able to recover the image from the recycle bin or from the bin, right? But in this case, Amazon like S3 bucket doesn't have any kind of bin. So how do we recover that particular image? This is a question comes in a picture now, that we will be see it now. So don't miss this video, don't miss the end of this video. Okay, in this entire video I will be explaining to you. So now you see that here it shows me a show version. When I just click onto it, it gives me a this was the video, this was the image, this was the image, and this is the image which is shows me the delete marker. Now if I need to recover this image, now first let me show you that what are the image that I have in my. I have one this image, I have this image, I have this image. So I have two kind of images be existed. So both are images already be there. So which image is be deleted? So Amazon plays a very tricky thing here. Amazon play very smartly over there. Like S3 bucket, they give us smartly. They just put it the marker on it. They're not deleting this thing. They're not deleting the image. What they does, they just put a marker on it that the image is be deleted. Like in a similar concept, if we think about an operating system, in operating system, when we delete this image, when we delete any image, ideally the image goes to recycle bin. So whenever we require, we can able to restore it. But in case if we shift plus delete, if we delete permanently, then those image will not able to recover it. So similar concept they have provided in this S3 bucket, where what they does, so they just give a marker on it. They just delete. If suppose that if I deleted mistakenly, anyone deleted this thing and he doesn't know about this part, the version system, then on this side image is be deleted. So how do we recover it? So best way that uh, I just need to select the marker part. I just need to delete the marker. So there you say that permanent permanently delete. So when I hit the permanent delete, great, my image is back. See how easy it is, how cool this is, right? Amazon. Now I can able to restore my image just deleting the delete marker which was added by when I delete the image. So this is a super cool and this is super easy, guys. Okay, and if you really like these kind of videos, please subscribe my channel KapilCodeHub. And yeah, one more thing about to be wrap up this part. So please, okay. So now in this video we have seen about to be how to be recover the file, how to be delete the file, right? We have seen and all those operation done after doing the version system. Until you're not enabling the version system, then if you deleted the file will be gone. There's no way to be restore that file. Okay, once the file is be deleted, the file is be gone. So make sure that if you want to try this kind of feature, try this thing of operation. Okay, so just be enable the version system. And how to enable the version system, that I have already shown you in another video, so that you can take I'll also share over there in this group, so you can take a reference on that part, so that will be easy to be understanding this part. I hope this video really helpful for you. So thanks everyone, and if you have any doubt, any concern, if you want to any new topic, you guys can comment me out on today's part. Thanks everyone. Thanks to all.